Now, not only was I unable to work, I was unable to go to the gym, unable to play sports, and I wasn't even able to drive my car. This was actually the biggest blessing in disguise. I generated thousands in affiliate commissions, buying my first Rolex, buying an Audi, and earning double what I used to. Most people think that when you take your first steps in the online world, it's all about making millions. When in reality, it's actually the complete opposite. Because the truth is, my first year in affiliate marketing in the online world, it went nothing like that. In fact, it taught me lessons that went way beyond money and completely changed the way that I look at success. My name's Dan from the Aussie Affiliate Twins, and this is my story. This all started back in 2023 when I was still working in the construction industry. At that point, I was living paycheck to paycheck. I was waking up early, I'd get on site, work long physical hours, I'd come home tired and get up again and do the same thing the next day. I wasn't really looking to progress in anything. I didn't have big goals and I didn't really have a vision of where I wanted my life to go. And honestly, I felt like I had no direction at all. In September 2023, everything changed when I got injured on a job site and I was forced to stop working. Now, not only was I unable to work, I was unable to go to the gym, unable to play sports, and I wasn't even able to drive my car. At the time, I had obviously thought that it was a terrible thing that had happened to me, and I was in a really dark place. But I didn't really realize that this was actually the biggest blessing in disguise. With my time off work, it brought out a new side of me that honestly, I always knew I had. From when I finished school back in 2020, I was always looking at different ways that people were making money online. I was seeing people online living the life that I wanted, being able to travel the world whenever they want, having the cars, having the watches, all the nice stuff. And I knew I'd wanted that too, but I never acted on it until the injury actually forced me to step out of my comfort zone and take that extra step. That's why I say it was a big blessing. After months and months being at home doing absolutely nothing day in and day out, waking up late, scrolling on social media all day, I finally decided to take the step. In June 2024, I invested in an affiliate marketing course called Velocity Profits by Chris Reader. And from that very day, I have not looked back. I spent 12 to 16 hours every single day with all the spare time that I had from work, learning the ins and outs of what it takes to master affiliate marketing through paid advertising. But the first turning point was honestly one of the first modules inside the whole course, which was based on our mindset. I can tell you right now that this was the biggest step in my entire journey. I really delved into self-development. I gave up going out and partying and just focused on building an unbreakable mindset based off of discipline and self-belief. I genuinely think that in that period, I completely rewired the beliefs that I have on life and what was possible for me to achieve. Instead of waking up late and scrolling all day, I decided to wake up at 5:30 and have a strict routine every single day. And funnily enough, working in construction, that taught me all about hard work. Working 12 to 16 hours in front of a computer screen, I felt it was so much easier. And I've loved every single bit of it. I turned into a positive, more driven person, and I really had goals and visions of the life that I wanted to achieve. I even grew my relationship with God and my faith, and I really delved into manifestation, visualization that I really think helped me along the process, and adapted this daily routine that was bound to set me up for success. I had built up this belief in myself that anything was possible, and I knew that anything that I wanted to do going forward, I had a chance of being successful at. Focusing so much on my mindset, it led me to coming across this book called Think and Grow Rich by Napoleon Hill. This book was so powerful. It taught me so much about how powerful our minds are and what it actually takes to become successful. Through reading this book and continuing to self-develop, I went from someone with no real goals or drive, no vision of where I wanted to go in life. I was wasting money, I was going out, and I really had like a negative outlook on life. And I became someone that created a clear roadmap for success. I started investing in myself. I was working a lot on my personal development and just all about building up a positive mindset that was going to be beneficial for me for the rest of my life. This improvement alone is what I was honestly most grateful for by joining Velocity Profits. And to be honest, when it comes to anything in the online world, developing a success mindset is much more important than developing the skills. Successful entrepreneurs and some of the most successful people in the world, like Tony Robbins and Jim Rohn, they said that success is built on 10% skills and 90% mindset. And that's why I have this belief now. It's because I worked on my mindset so much. Instead of focusing all about the skills, I was just worried about me and developing myself as the best version I can be. From June 2024 until the end of that year, I was a complete different person. I had generated thousands in affiliate commissions, and I had learned so much about the online world and what was possible for me to achieve. By the end of 2024, I found myself back at work, but not where I started. Instead of getting back into the construction industry, funnily enough, I ended up in sales. And I basically went from someone who was scraping through each week to buying my first Rolex, buying an Audi, and earning double what I used to, just because I picked up sales so quickly. And that is genuinely why I believe that I'm on the path to success. My life has improved and changed in so many ways since I got injured, ever since I started working on my mindset, my faith, and what my actual purpose was in life. Now, obviously the mindset was huge, but the skills and the practical side of Velocity Profits was what was so valuable in helping me make money. If there's one skill that stood out to me the most from the Velocity Profits course, it was copywriting. The funny thing is, I didn't even realize how important copywriting was before I had even started it. At the end of the day, nothing works without the right words. Copywriting is what grabs attention, builds curiosity, and actually makes someone want to click. And Chris Reader drilled this into us throughout the course. If we learned how to write persuasive copy, we were going to be able to sell products. It was as simple as that. Copywriting was just one piece. There were obviously other parts of the course, particularly with running ads and creating funnels, that were able to help me make more money with affiliate marketing. But that ruins the excitement if I was to reveal all of that now. For me, the biggest takeaway was that Velocity Profits gave me both sides to the equation. It gave me the mindset and it gave me the skills. And honestly, without both, you cannot expect to succeed in anything. And this isn't me trying to play it out to be easy, because in reality, it's not. And that's the same with everything. You're gonna fail over and over again until you succeed. But when it comes to making money online, I honestly feel like it's stacking up all those small wins until you crack something big. There is no such thing as an online business model where all you do is win and make money consistently. If that was the case, then everyone would be millionaires. At the end of the day, I can only speak from my experience. Over the last year and a half, Velocity Profits gave me the skills, the mindset, and the direction that I needed to completely change my life. It's not a magic button. You're still gonna need that discipline and hard work. But if you're serious about building an online income, I personally think this is one of the best places to start. And that's why I'm sharing this, because I know there's people watching this that were in the exact position that I was. So what I'm gonna do is leave a link in the description to Velocity Profits so you can go and check it out. Dive in, do the work, and who knows, in a year's time, you could be looking back at this moment as the turning point in your journey as well. But yeah, I hope everyone enjoyed this video, and I hope you can use it as inspiration to start your journey as well, and we'll catch you in the next one.